In my video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to get rid of the pop-up windows that are associated with the site News-fuloha.cc. This site, News-fuloha.cc, is extremely malicious and very deceptive. It tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly as a part of some browser checkup, but to click on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack the browser with a lot of pop-ups that will be displayed in the form of web push notifications. If you have clicked on allow button, it was definitely a mistake. So access the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, site settings, and then go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Now you need to remove this News-fuloha.cc and other junk sites. After you do that, the trouble should be fixed manually. However, I also recommend that you carefully research the system with the reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.